Welcome to Kim's Art Alchemy and the first video for 2026. And of course, my wonderful friend Marie Louise of Marie Louise Art would have been just before me. So if you missed her video, make sure you go back and check it out. So my challenge today is to try and do Nicole Martin's Blob Larimar. I did one previous attempt, well, that I showed you. And it was definitely not the Blob Larimar that she has done, and I will show some pictures of some of her amazing works just up on the screen. So I'm going to try and get something close to that. And I know she has used Artline Honey, so I ordered some up, and it's a medium viscosity resin, 2-to-1 by weight. And that's what I'm using today. Now I'm doing a little bit of a twist on hers. She had 2 acrylic ink colors and 1 interference. I'm going to go with 3 acrylic ink colors. So I just kind of divided out these cups. And I am using acrylic inks by Holbein, Primary Cyan, Mauve, and Luminous Opera. Interference Blue by Bling It. I've got bloom paste, and I've got 30 grams in this cup and 20 in this one. And I have a little bit of a push. It's about 45 grams of a push over here. The Interference Blue just has 15 grams. So I'm going to start off with my Interference Blue, get that in there. I'm going to do a little scoop like that. Move that in. Get that out of the way. So, does anyone do New Year's resolutions? And if you do resolutions, what kind are they? Is it the usual weight loss, more exercise? Or, I was talking with my brother when I was over in Australia, and he was asking me that question, and I said, I don't do New Year's resolutions. Never have. And he said, well, you know, someone said to me that you don't even really need to do like the traditional New Year's resolutions that, you know, everyone does, but it could be something fun like bucket list items or, you know, travel, that kind of thing. I thought that was an interesting take. So, all right, 30 grams. And Nicole says 3 half drops of bloom paste. I don't know how you do a half drop. So I'm going to do 1 full drop and a half drop. That looked like a half drop, right? Thanks for backing me up. Okay, so this one, this resin is really quite thick. It's interesting. So anyway, I'm still thinking as to what I'd like to do. I'd love to say that I would like to travel more, especially after my awesome trip to down under to the subtropics. New Zealand was amazing. I'd love to go back there and go to the South Island maybe this time. Of course, there's so much to see in Australia. I have been to Australia one other time besides this most recent trip, but it is a ginormous country. Lots to see there. So, and it's just amazing. It really is just amazing. So if you missed my travel vlog from last week and you're interested in seeing some of my highlights and some of the flora and fauna that's available there, you can check out my video from last week. All right. Now in the 20 grams cup, this one is supposed to be very opaque. So she used 4 drops of Cast and Craft. Bloom paste is more potent. So maybe I'll do 3 drops. 1, 2, 3, and whatever that trail was. Scrape that off. Add that in. So anyway, if you have New Year's resolutions or things that you'd like to do, drop me a note. Or do you just not do New Year's resolutions at all? Okay, see, that's quite opaque, isn't it? That looks good to me. Let's try and get all that off the sides and really mixed in. All right, how is my interference doing? Get that mica mixed in, that looks good. All right, these guys. So this needs to be opaque. Let's see. As well. I wanted something nice and bright. That's why I'm using the Luminous Opera. Yeah, it is luminous. That's for sure. Yeah, I think that'll be good. So that was 3 drops. Luminous Opera. I'm tempted to do one more, but I'm not going to. All right, this is mauve. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna try 4. While I'm mixing up the other 2 colors, I just want to thank all of you, my viewers, for all your support over the years, and I just want you to know how much I appreciate each and every one of you, your comments, your likes, your being a part of the premieres, and your support not only for me, but also for my amazing friend Marie-Louise. And also, I would be most remiss if I didn't thank my amazing friend Marie-Louise for just everything that she does for me, her support, her creativity, her spirit, and her sense of fun. So thank you, ML, for encouraging me, being the most amazing friend, and cheers to 2026. And I hope that you all stick around because this is going to be an amazing year. So let's get this in. So this white is going to just cover the bottom of my mold. It's not a thick layer. And remember, this is the more transparent one. I haven't done any art for almost 2 months. How crazy is that? Kind of feels good to be back into the swing of things. Okay, now let's get that out of the way. Now, recently, Nicole has done puddle pours with this, but I saw one of her videos. It was a short where she did loops for everything. So I'm gonna do loops. And I thought the difference was that the colors of everything that she put in were more evenly distributed, I think, through the whole piece versus doing the puddle pours. So that's why I'm doing this. Okay, that's that one. Next step's going to be my violet. Same thing. Loops. All right. The blue. Okey-dokes. Now my interference. And then, don't forget the push. Oh shoot, did I mess this up? I did mess it up already. I forgot this. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I forgot my opaque white. Oh well, here we go. Now we'll really see what happens. I was doing so well too. Gosh darn it. All right. Well, if it doesn't work out, I can always go again. We're back. It's later on the same day. I did put it on my heat mat for a couple of hours, and then I had other things to do. So I'm back tonight, and we will see what we have. So if you recall, I messed up in that I did my push before I put my opaque in. I should have put the opaque in, the opaque white in, and then the push. But let's see. Oh, wow. I'm getting very close here with this. Oh, wow. I am loving all this. I'm so close. Let's see. All right, will it focus? Look at that. I love it. It's weird that that's gray out on those edges. I guess that's probably really purple. But I'm loving it. I am so close. So the colored areas through here are exactly what I'm going for. And the actual center part is good, except it's just too white, which is why I'm thinking maybe cut back on the bloom paste just a bit, but everything else seems good. Or maybe I should do everything the same again and just do it the right way. All right, let me know what your thoughts are. I thank you all for being here, and I hope you have a wonderful start to 2026. All my best wishes to you all, and just a huge thank you for continuing to follow me, and hopefully I will see you throughout the year this year. All right, bye for now.